Got this mini bike. Just updated the headlight. I ordered a 6,000K LED off eBay. Now, I soldered the connection straight to the back of the light so it don't short out. Now I'm gonna put the housing back on and we gonna see what it do, y'all. Hold on. Okay, got the light housing back on. Got the LED bulb in there. Now, got the header, intake, can-in filter. Be on its way probably Monday, Tuesday. I ordered it. Oh. Let's see if that light working. Power on. Gas on. Choke on. LED 6,000K right there. Got an intake, but it don't fit on here because the adapter, see how the holes drill? Got my tail light on the back. Got my pipe on there. Extra light right here. The headlight. Yeah. Plus a little light right here. Extra. I ain't even think about it till after. Okay, I got a brand new carburetor. Brand new. I ordered a torque converter. Supposed to came today, but I'm still waiting. Probably gonna come Monday. We shall see. But if it don't matter. I'll wait till Monday. Anyway, got the Harley Davidson grips. Harley Davidson headlight. You feel me?